Yes, sir. We got that thing loaded up. Boy done pulled up with the joint, man.
Hey, I see what's going on, man. Builtbydre, everything's regular, man. Go get your tickets while you can, man.
Yes,
you already
sir.
know this could be you. My boy got the joint up next, man. Let's go.
My boy got this joint sitting. God dang, how long it's been sitting?
Came back from Fresno.
So today we about to wash this joint up, y'all. About to clean it up, as y'all can see. Baby has been, yes sir, they done got my boy right. Got the fresh tire. Boy done pulled up with the joint, man.
Hey, I see what's going on, man. Builtbydre, everything's regular, man. Go get your tickets while you can, man.
Yes,
you already
sir.
know this could be you. My boy got the joint up next, man. Let's go.
So mad I can't ride, man. The homies. Yeah, so I want to see a whole 360. The homie out here sliding, man. So my boy's somewhere floating around the city right now. I'm about to go ahead and pull the Roadking out, the one that's up for giveaway. If you want to enter, go in the description below, grab your red SLIDN beanie. But I'm on daddy duty, so we just monitoring my kid. But we still about to pull this thing out, wash it up. This thing has been sitting and is dirty, so I'm gonna give y'all a glimpse of what it looked like. Yes sir, this thing is dusty and dirty, as you can see. About to wipe the dust up off this joint, get it cleaned up, man. Want to fire it up. They got a baby over there. I'm trying to be respectful, but I'm about to get it cleaned up for y'all, man. I will give y'all the startup though, as soon as we wash it down. But y'all see what's going on. Got this thing. Got that chain on that bad boy. Y'all see it. I'm ready. Sliding now. So today we about to wash this joint up, y'all. About to clean it up, as y'all can see. Baby has been sitting. Got the flake in there going crazy. Y'all can see there's a lot of dirt. We're gonna rinse this thing off, clean it up, get it right. Stay tuned, man. This thing is super dirty. Love this bike so much, dude. Can't wait to see where it's headed. We're here at the powder coat shop. We're about to go ahead and drop these parts off. So, stay tuned. Got a crash bar, some little hand levers, and got the brackets to hold it. What up, YouTube? We back at it. We sliding. We got the trailer on the back. You already know the truck back running. About to go pick up one of my boys' street glides I had put together when I first literally got my shop. So I'm about to pull up on him, pick him up, Then after that, we about to go slide to his house to go grab the bike. Then we are going to slide to the tire shop so they can get everything assembled and get my boy on the road, man. So stay tuned. We slide, and we still got some spots left on the Roadking. Still almost like over 20, so I'm trying to get it done as soon as possible. We still got some faith this week. We still got about 3 days left, man. So let's try to get filled in before Friday so we can knock it out and find a winner, man, and see where it's headed. But I appreciate all of y'all for watching and tuning in, man. Seriously, we slide. We're about to get this working, y'all, so stay tuned. We're working. Yes, sir. My boy just pulled up on me. We got the tire up in here. We got the trailer. We're about to get the bike loaded up, and we're going to get this thing straight to the tire shop, man. So stay tuned, y'all. We sliding. Yes, sir. We just pulled up. About to load the bike up. Got the straps out ready. Got my dog. Y'all about to see the street glide. My boy got this joint sitting. God damn, how it's been sitting.
Came back from Fresno.
Damn, this is crazy. You just need a good wash though, for sure.
Crazy. Somebody cut it. That's why they ain't been working.
Damn, at least you covered the fairing up. I like that radio. Yes, sir. Gotta give my boy a wash, man. Yes, sir. We got that thing loaded up. Y'all see what's going on? My boy about to be sliding. I'm about to get the tire fixed. It's the same one I was in the shop when I first got the shop. He had a little accident. We got it right. That's why you gotta keep being a good, solid person. You keep doing business with the same people. You don't burn nobody out. We still getting money together. We working on, man. Yes, sir. We just pulled up the MC Tire Works. Sliding. Nah, yeah, that's good though. What's going on, buddy? My boy be riding this joint. For real. They about to get them right, man. Y'all trying to get some tires done, come to MC Tire Works. Got that thing offloaded. Got it off? Yeah.
I got it. That's why I had to jump.
They got the good tires, man. Yes, sir. They done got my boy right. Got the fresh tire. Got to come down here and get right, man. I'll try to give it a start. Try it now.
Just try to get rested.
Yeah, lights on. Gas moving.
Leave it for a couple months.
About to jump it on the truck. Get this thing, start the bike up. Yes, sir. We got it strapped up, man. Sliding. Appreciate y'all, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We just put up to my man's house. We're about to drop it right now. We went and got everything done with the tire fix. Only problem is we couldn't get the battery juice. It's been sitting since Fresno, but we about to get it done right now. Yes, sir. We just dropped my boy off. We got him at the house. We are about to head back to the shop. It's kind of late now. I'm gonna go put the trailer up in the shop. That's where I've been having it at, so we can get some work done. I just gotta drop the Roadglide off to Vegas. Once I drop that off, I'm picking up the worst street glide, or worst Harley ever from Copart, taking that to my shop from the frame doctor. I gotta pick that up, and I gotta take my boy, the blue and silver Roadking, as soon as I get these last parts. So basically, them last 3 tows is what I need this trailer for. That's why I'm really holding on to it, because I'm trying to clear the shop out so I can get what I got coming. Y'all understand as soon as I get it, but that's what I'm on, man. I'm trying to get it going, get everything caught up, keep sliding, get this working, get this money. Y'all want to enter for the 2017, get in while you can, man. I'm trying to get it over with this week. I want to find out the winner ASAP. I promise y'all, I want to find out the winner and see where the bike is headed, so that way when I ship out Texas bike, if it's going to the same state as this 2017, I can do both in one. It'll be a double win. So that's the whole thing of what I'm on, man. So stay tuned. We working, y'all.